And there she is again. Trying to take a bath. Go to the bird bath. There's a bird bath full of fresh water. Poor thing. Can't figure it out, can you? Oh, I'm trying to take a little bath. I'm going to have to figure something else out. Oh, she figured out she's found the sugar too. Oh, yeah. She just hasn't figured out the right way yet.